Hey there and happy Monday. We're a day late for Soup Sunday, but today we are going to make a quick and easy black bean soup, and it's going to be delicious, and it'll be a good soup for Meatless Monday. And follow along. I hope you enjoy it, and let's do it. Let me start by introducing you to the inspiration for this soup. I started using Misfits Market this week, and I bought this oil from them. It smells great. It's a garlic and cilantro, nope, garlic and jalapeno, sorry, cilantro comes later, infused olive oil, and that's what we're going to use to cook our mirepoix in, and we're going to season that up and cook them up, and let's hope for the best. I think it'll be great. It smells amazing. Okay, our oil is getting shimmery, and now it will be time to add our celery, carrots, and onions. Which also came from the Misfits Market, by the way. We're going to season this rather generously with salt. What I mean by generous is we're putting lots of seasonings in here. And some pepper. And some smoked paprika. Some cumin, some chili powder, some cilantro, and finally my favorite spice, the true lime. It's really, the last soup I made with this, it came out so limey and so fragrant. So we're going to let these cook down a bit and we'll come back. The vegetables are softening up nicely. It's time to add a little garlic. And I bought this at the store. I've never ever bought this before, but I did it. So that's going into. Pretty juicy. Stir that up. Let that cook down for a few more minutes and then we're going to add our stock. Okay, we got some chicken stock coming in. And we're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes until those carrots are nice and soft. And then our black beans are going in and our soup is done. Like I said, quick and easy. Okay, I got a nice big piece of carrot right here. We're going to stick this knife in it. Oh, slides right in, slides right out. What else we got? Nothing. Okay, it's time for black beans, and then we're going to cook it for about 5 or 10 more minutes to get all that beaniness in there, and our soup will be finished. Drained black beans, 1 can. In they go. And it is looking fine, and you should smell how fragrant it is. It's so good. Our quick and easy black bean soup is finished. And have a look at it. It's vegetable-y and beany, and it smells so amazing. We're gonna ladle some into a bowl. Maybe I should have used some more broth, but I do like my soups hearty. So, you're looking at my dinner tonight, and let's garnish it and show you what it looks like there. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up. Sides are hot, so we're gonna, let's get her centered so you can see a look. I put some sour cream and a little bit of cilantro on there, and that's gonna be tasty and warming and comforting, and it's beautiful to look at, beautiful to smell, and beautiful to eat. Okay, so I just had my first taste, and I wanted to let you know that the jalapeno and oil, the jalapeno garlic oil, really gave it a nice kick. And it's not too much because you know I'm not a big spice girl, but it was a very nice kick. So I'm glad I used that. If you can find that product, buy it. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Soup Sunday. It's gonna be summer here pretty soon, so I'll probably have to stop doing it. Maybe we'll have salad Sundays or something like that. But in the meantime, thanks for joining me. Join me again next week. Oh, next week I won't be able to. I got something big going on. But anyway, we're going to keep going, and we're going to keep putting out recipes. And please make them, love them, and eat them up.